This video will show you how to coat culture plates with vitronectin so you'll be ready to transfer newly forming iPSC colonies or frozen cultures to Essential 8 medium. Before using the Essential 8 complete medium, you'll need to prepare vitronectin coated plates. The optimal working concentration of vitronectin is cell line dependent and must be determined empirically. We recommend using a final coating concentration of 0.1 to 1 microgram per square centimetre on the culture surface, depending on your cell line. We routinely use vitronectin at 0.5 micrograms per square centimetre for human PSC culture. Prior to coating culture vessels, calculate the working concentration of vitronectin using the following formula and dilute the stock appropriately. The product manual for vitronectin contains a list of culture dish surface areas and a volume of vitronectin required. As an example, to coat a 6-well plate at a coating concentration of 0.5 micrograms per square centimetre, you'll need to prepare 6 milliliters of diluted vitronectin solution. Upon receipt, thaw the vial of vitronectin at room temperature and prepare 60 microliter aliquots of vitronectin in polypropylene tubes. Freeze the aliquots at -80 degrees C or use immediately. To coat the wells of a 6-well plate, remove a 60 microliter aliquot of vitronectin from -80 degrees storage and thaw at room temperature. You'll need one 60 microliter aliquot per 6-well plate. Add 60 microliters of thawed vitronectin into a 50 milliliter conical tube containing 6 milliliters of sterile DPBS without calcium and magnesium at room temperature. Gently resuspend by pipetting the vitronectin dilution up and down. This results in a working concentration of 5 micrograms per milliliter at 1 to 100 dilution. Add 1 milliliter of the diluted vitronectin solution to each well of the 6-well plate. When used to coat a 6-well plate at 1 milliliter per well, the final concentration will be 0.5 micrograms per centimetre squared. If you're using a different type of culture vessel, refer to the vitronectin product insert for detailed information on volumes. Incubate the coated plates at room temperature for 1 hour. Note, the culture vessel can now be used or stored at 2 to 8 degrees C, wrapped in laboratory film for up to 1 week. Do not allow the vessel to dry. Prior to use, pre-warm the culture vessel to room temperature for at least 1 hour.